Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to copy Lovable sites to WordPress. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you enjoy building with Lovable, but also want the power, plugins, and flexibility of WordPress, you can actually connect both together. Now, you can access this feature through Lovable's paid plan, but there are also occasional opportunities like limited time weekend access where you can try it for free. To get started, simply head over to the Lovable website. Once you're there, you'll see the interface where you can begin creating your own website or landing page. Just enter your instructions describing exactly what you want to build. After that, click on the Generate button. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in. So go ahead and log in using your Google account or any other preferred method. Once you're signed in, click the Generate button again, and Lovable will automatically begin creating your landing page based on your input. It's that simple and streamlined. One method involves using a tool like CloneWebX, which analyzes components from your Lovable site and converts them into standard HTML and CSS that can be exported into WordPress. Once you're on the CloneWebX website, go ahead and click on the Go to App button. You'll be prompted to sign into your account. Just follow the same steps we used earlier with the Lovable platform. After signing in, you'll land on the dashboard where you'll see an Add New Project option. Click on it, and you'll be asked to name your project. For this example, I'll name it Write Lovable. Next, you'll need to enter your website or store URL. For this tutorial, I'll head over to my Shopify dashboard, open my store, copy the store link, and paste it into CloneWebX. Once that's done, the platform will guide you on how to proceed with cloning your website. To continue, you'll first need to install their browser extension. Simply click on the extension option, which will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. From there, click Add to Chrome to install it. After the extension is successfully added, go back to your online store, open the Extensions tab, and you'll see the CloneWebX extension available. Click on it, enable the checkbox, and then select Add Page. Give it a moment to process, and shortly after, you'll be redirected to the next page where the cloning process begins. It will extract the structure and prepare it for export. First, go ahead and select Entire Page from this menu. And also, from there, you can select Elementor as your builder, since it works as a plugin inside WordPress. Before you proceed, it's important to note that CloneWebX does list a few requirements, especially if you plan to use Elementor for cloning your website. One key thing to keep in mind is that this feature is not available on the free plan. To access the full functionality and enable the integration with Elementor, you'll need to upgrade to their Pro plan. Once you've upgraded, you'll be able to seamlessly clone your Lovable created website directly into WordPress using the CloneWebX tool, making the entire process much smoother and more efficient. Another approach is to connect WordPress and Lovable through an API. In this setup, WordPress is used to manage content like blog posts, while Lovable displays them. You can simply instruct the Lovable AI to connect to your WordPress API using a URL like your domain.com or wp.json, and it will handle the request automatically. This way, whenever you publish content in WordPress, it updates instantly on your Lovable site. There's also a third option, using tools that convert Lovable projects directly into WordPress themes. So, go ahead and open a new tab and search for Lovable to WP. Once the results appear, scroll down and open the official website. As soon as you land on the page, you'll notice a headline that says you can clone your website into WordPress in under 5 minutes. If you click on the Watch Demo button, it will walk you through the entire process, step by step, showing exactly how to clone your Lovable website into WordPress. The video makes it very easy to understand, and overall, the process is quite simple and beginner-friendly. These tools can generate an editable theme from your project, often with features like one-click export and no coding required. After generating your project, you can copy its link, import it into the conversion tool, and then use the resulting files in WordPress. Keep in mind that some of these tools may be in beta, require payment, or may not be available in all regions, so availability can vary depending on your location. These are some of the methods you can use to clone your Lovable website into WordPress. Just keep in mind that each method works best when you follow the process carefully and complete every step as shown. Take your time, make sure everything is set up properly, and you should be able to move your Lovable website to WordPress smoothly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can copy Lovable sites to WordPress. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.